mga characters na yun.
Yeah, for sure. I mean for me. sorry guys. I mean for me, I think last ko na to, di ba? Why? Joke lang. But I hope, di ba, still, pag nagsulat si Goy, merong alternate universe for Sean and Kiera. But medyo nagsisink in na rin. Pero at the end of the day, nothing but grateful heart kasi ibang klase rin naman yung mga natutunan namin sa series na to. So, yeah, but siguro, I hope for the whole Univercada, hindi pa ito yung last na trabaho namin yung isang buong barkada, right? So, sana may mga projects na dumating na isang barkada pa rin kami. Pero nagsisink in na rin talaga sa amin, especially nung ginawa na namin yung last pictorial for the poster and sa materials, medyo na-feel na talaga namin na ito na yung last. Kasi we've been doing, sabi ko, it became a routine already. For the past 4 years, for each and every one of us, it became a routine na laging may ganito next year, and this and that, and so on. So, yeah, malaki yung factor, right? Sigaw.
Sorry, can you repeat the question, please?
Sink in na daw sa atin na ito yung will this be the last time to yeah.
You know what, actually, kanina, when we were all sitting here, I was really emotional because, I don't know, when I look, hello, when I look at everyone, I had a flashback to the cast reveal when I was announced as Elise and Jai as Kuya Sean. And when I see everyone's faces, everyone looks so different from when we first started. Like you can see how much everyone has grown. And we've all gone through so much. We've done so much now, and it's only been like what, like 5 years? 4 years. I'm proud of everyone, and I'm really emotional, and I love you guys, and I'm always thankful to you all. So, yeah, that's what I'm feeling right now.
Walang sumusunod eh. Siguro po lahat naman tayo, lahat naman ng project, may ending. Diba? And we're very blessed to be able to play our roles. We're very blessed that we were given a chance to play our roles for 3-4 years. Every 6 months may trabaho kami. Every 6 months nabibigyang buhay namin yung mga storya, yung libro na minahal ng mga fans. But you know, there's always the end. There's always the last time. And siguro, yes, this may be the last time. Well, depende po kay Guay if gagawa pa siya ng ibang mga storya na makakapag-play ulit kami ng mga roles namin ngayon. The least we can do is make the most out of it. The least we can do is talagang namnamin namin itong, kumbaga, save the best for last, diba? Namnamin namin yung bawat eksena, namnamin namin yung bawat pagkakataon na ma-play ulit namin yung mga karakter namin, whether for the last time or not, para rin no regrets, diba? Ayan po. Thank you.
Grateful kami sa opportunity na binigay mo sa amin, and right now, parang feels like kakasimula lang ng lahat ng book. Hindi pa siya ganun nagsisink in talaga actually. Lalo sa mga first batch talaga since book 1. For sure na parang, sipin mo, magpe-play ka ng character na ganun katagal. And finally ngayon, parang dati kasi nung pumasok ako sa book 3, parang feel ko parang, grabe, ang tagal naman na ito, parang ang dami pang book, ganun. Pero ngayon na nasa last book na parang, ang bilis lang pala. So may ganun po feeling.
Alright, anyone on this side? Has it sunk in yet, guys?
For me po, I've only been them for a year and a half pa lang. So ako yung pinakabago yung pinaka-last pala na dagdag sa Univercada, pero parang sa akin kahit a year and a half ko pa lang sila nakasama, parang parang lungkot na ito na yung last book. I wish I was there pa since the beginning, or I wish na there would have been more books pa para makakatrabaho po ulit kami. Pero iba yung pagmatamaan ka na ng separation anxiety. So it's really just, parang sa akin kasi yung pagsimula ko sa Viva, yung journey ko, sila na yung kasama ko. So it's just like, parang nakakalungkot lang for me since ako yung pinakabago mananagdag na ito na yung magiging last book. Yan po.
I mean, I was there since the first book, and for me, it was such a journey, meeting every single one, because after every book, may nadadagdag na bagong cast. Heaven and I saw the development from the very beginning, and wala, parang tumanda din kami in a way. We grew up in this show, as crazy as that sounds, because I could definitely say I was a different person 4 years ago. And these people, believe it or not, even if we saw each other at work and outside of work, on and off, parang sila din yung naging buhay ko for the past 5 years. So, past 4 years. So that's kind of, crazy that we're coming to an end. And nakakasad ng konti. Kasi patapos na eh. Sana, konti lang. Medyo lang, medyo. Malay mo, magka-work pa tayo. Anyways, I really hope I get to work with everyone. Yeah, again.
Ako, kasi every media con, parang doon ko talaga nasasabi na, it's the start of a new era, so new po. Pero yun din ko masasabi na, may aabangan na ako ulit na next book, ganyan. Pero ngayon nung din nagsink in, nung tinanong na parang, oh my God, this is the last time I'm gonna portray Samantha Vera. And gusto ko lang sabihin na itong role na to, na Samantha Vera, itong series na to, itong project na to, nagbabago talaga ng showbiz career ko. Naging big blessing siya sa akin. Kaya nakakasad to say goodbye to our characters. Pero I'm super grateful dahil because of these characters, mas minahal kami ng tao bilang actors. So, yun po.
Hello. Nag-sink in ba? I had 4 years to think about what to do here. I had 4 years. Gusto ko isa pa, bitin pa ako. I want another one. But I'm happy that by this book, I get to say goodbye to a very, very complicated character. So I can get to close that and hopefully give space to another character where I can show something positive, the positive side of humanity. So, has it synced in? Una pa lang, because I've been dreading. No, dreading. I've been excitedly dreaded to play this character, to play it with Nicole and Giles. So, this is very close to my heart as much as you guys are. Really. So, sana magustuhan mo siya. Yeah.
Ako, ikaw mo lang isa mo. We started this. I was so pressured. Remember that we were so pressured. Kasi parang sila ate kids. Of course, we want to make this, like successful. So, nung mga una pala, like, kasi parang nagsimula kami as in, magsisimula pala yung Viva 1, and then mag-show kami. And then, talagang pinaghirapan namin, as in parang, like may mga times nag-mall show kami na, oh no, wala masyadong tao, like, ganyan yung simula namin, parang, hindi guys, kaya natin to, like, kakanta tayo, as in, hanggang sa padami ng padami. And then nakikita na natin ngayon na lumalaki na siya. And ayun ko parang with everyone nakapag-bond talaga. Nakapaggawa tayo ng memories sa isa't isa. So, hindi lang ako ready na matapos lang to. Kasi parang hindi pa, hindi, yung pinaghirapan namin, hindi pa pwede matapos. Hindi pa ako ready. So,
Alright, sino pa? Wilbert?
Direct kasi, direct tatlo sa libro ang na-direct niya. So talagang kasama siya mismo sa journey ng Univercada since book 2. Direct.
I've seen their growth. I've gotten to know them. And I'm excited to sa lahat ng projects nila in the future. Kasi they really deserve it. And they've been here from the very beginning, from the start of Viva One. And I'm excited also for the next generation and next shows of Viva One. And siguro yung message ko for everyone is I'm so proud of you guys. I'm very, very proud of you guys. And thank you for the friendship and the trust. And to the fans who supported since day one. Yung si Direct Ted pa yung nagdidirect. And yun, thank you so much.
Alright, anybody else? We're good. Alright, okay. Naz, last question, okay. So question mo ang nag-break sa cast natin. Alright, kayo naman, si John.